Hey everyone! If you're playing 99 Nights in the Forest and you're trying to get more diamonds, this video is 100% for you. I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to get free diamonds using the Delta Executor. And yep, it actually works. So, just to be clear, this isn't one of those fake tricks. I've tested it myself, and you can see right here on my phone. I've got 700 diamonds in my account right now. It's all real, and I didn't spend a single cent. And the best part? It's really simple to do. All you need is the Delta Executor, which you probably already heard, and a few steps I'm about to show you. No weird ads, no shady links, just a quick and easy method that actually gets you results. Before I found this, I was always stuck waiting or grinding forever just to earn a few diamonds. It made the game way slower and honestly kind of frustrating at times. But once I tried this method, I finally had enough diamonds to unlock upgrades, speed things up, and actually enjoy the game the way it's meant to be played. So if you want to get ahead in 99 Nights in the Forest without wasting time or money, I really recommend you stick around and watch the whole video. I'll guide you through it step by step, nice and easy. Just follow along and you'll be set. Alright, let's jump into it. Here's how to get free diamonds in 99 Nights in the Forest using the Delta Executor. You're gonna love this. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Delta Executor and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.